So here's a piece of just regular old steel that I was shooting, and I shot it with a few different calibers. The one down here is a 223, so it went right through. Some of these are 45, most of them are 45. I think I might have some AK, but I doubt it. But I was over here looking at this, and on the ground I see something pretty cool. This is a 45, and there's more of them too. So yeah, I found 4 of them so far. That's pretty neat. Definitely reuse the lead in that. So today is a windy day, so I apologize if you get a lot of wind noise in your computer, but today is actually kind of an exciting day for me too, because I finally did something I've been wanting to do for a few years. I was just always a little scared of it because, well, you can hurt yourself if you don't do it right. But found another video on YouTube, and he made it seem a little bit safer than the other people had, and so I decided, you know what the hell, I'm gonna do it, and I did. So today I'll be shooting my drum mag again for the first time in a long time. The spring had come off of that, so I had to unwind the spring and put another thing in there to hold the spring in place. And so far it loaded up perfect, so I'm gonna shoot off a few rounds, make sure it functions. But pretty exciting. Those things are like 80 bucks, and I think I paid $80 for this one. So, you know, $80 fix right there, just saved myself some money. If you guys are interested in on how to do that, I might make a video on it, but that would require me doing that again, which is kind of a pain in the butt, so I don't know, we'll see. So as you saw there, it had a couple issues. Those were failure to feeds, and I believe that was due to the spring not having enough retention halfway through the mag, or probably a little bit more than halfway, but quite a few rounds still left in the mag. And once I wound it up again, it didn't have that problem for the rest of the magazine. Now I don't remember it ever having that issue before, but it's been a while. It's been a few years actually since I've used that drum magazine, and most of those drum magazines want you to turn it 4 times, 4 full rotations, and mine never did that. And I remember that being an issue. I remember it never being able to turn 4 times. It was always like 3, 3.5, and then it would stop turning. So, you know, you're not supposed to keep turning it because it'll eventually break the spring, hence the reason I had to fix it in the first place. But as I said, if it's 4 full revolutions, mine doesn't do it. And even when I maxed it out at 3.5, you saw right there, all the way through the magazine. So I don't know, still working on it, I guess, but at least it feeds quite a few more than it did before. So thank you very much for watching. God bless. If you liked the video, go ahead and thumbs it up, and I will talk to you next time.